Hey, hi everyone. This is Sai from LetsUpgrade. So let's talk about how to get your certificate. It's very simple. You will see two links in the description. Number one is the place where you have to go and mark your attendance. Marking your attendance tells us like, okay, you are a legit student who have attended this particular session. Link number two is your assignment. This is where your 90% of the priority is. You have to go and submit the assignment that is given to you in this particular session. Once you're done submitting that assignment, we will be evaluating that. We will send you an email. If you get the passing criteria, then only we will give you the certificate on a particular date that is mentioned again in the description. Please check these three things, and this is the way how you will get a certificate from Let's Upgrade. Number one, mark your attendance. Number two, just go ahead and upload your assignment. Check for the email that you have received it, yes or no. What is the feedback that you have received from your trainer? Number three, check on which date the certificates will be released. Thank you. Bye. All the best. Happy learning.
So these are the buttons. The color and all I'm not very sure of, but yeah, this is how it's looking. Uh, okay, so going ahead, we have let's introduce about myself. So you see this section is very similar. It's just that the image is this side, the text is this side. So what I'll do is I'll just make a copy of this one. So that was about me, right? So this whole about me div I'll just copy and I'll paste over here again. And um, about me, I have already styled, right? About me, yes, I have already styled. So what I'll do is about me intro. Okay, about me intro, and this would be about me, uh, or I'll just give it some different names. So intro image. Okay, and here I'll be having the image, and this would be intro text, and I'll be having the text over here. Okay, so let's come back and see. So okay, right now I have put in the same image. So let's do one thing. Let's quickly copy this image and paste it over there. Okay, and here, okay, so fine, this is fine. So this side we need this, and there we need that. Okay, so what I'll do is intro image. I'll style this dot intro image, also dot intro text, and dot intro image. Both I need, right? So I'll give them the same um, width and all. Width 60% of this to text dot intro imgs. This and all I'll just adjust with return trial methods. Okay, so it shifted over here, but this image still seems very large to me. So intro img. What I'll give width, I'll give 80%. Okay, so now looking better. And for the text part, intro text, I'll just copy it from here. So let's introduce. So this should be in h1 tag. So h1 tag. Let's introduce about myself. Okay, and then inside the p tag, I'll have this portion. Okay. Okay. I'm wondering where that recording went. Just a second. No issues. Okay, so yeah, so I'll refresh the page. Okay, so we have this stuff over here. So let's quickly style it properly. So let's introduce about myself. I need to so intro text H1 and P. So intro text H1, text transform uppercase. Okay, introduce about myself, font family, Arial. Okay, this is fine. Then actually the width I should not give that much. I wish to have small width. Yes, better, or actually 40% would do just more better. Okay, and this spacing is looking too much to me. Let's see how I can fix that. Mm, so justify content space evenly. Let's give it space evenly. Huh, okay, space evenly would look better. And also, mm, 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 okay, but that is about me only, right? Let's see if it looks good for both. Okay, it's better. So now, intro text P, text transform, no, font size 22 px. No, font size should be around 18 px. Okay, and font color should be color. I'll be using gray. Okay, fine. So it's looking fine now. So moving ahead, we have the download CV button. So I'll won't work much on that button because I already have. So the get CV button I had, right? I'll just copy and paste it over there. Where is that button? Where did it went? Yeah, this is the button. So this get CV button I'll just copy from here, and after this p tag I'll paste it. So yeah, so this is my button. So, but just one more thing, since it's taking uh, margin left, so I'll give it some inline style over here. Style is equal to margin left 0. Okay, so this is different. So I just gave it some inline style so that it aligns properly. Okay, so now moving ahead, this work experience portion, if you wish to add, you can add. I'm not adding it, considering you all must be freshers. Okay, then coming to service offers. Okay, so service offers, again, this is similar card like structure which I have already told you. So I'll just quickly make it. So now I'll minimize this, both the things. So header I'll minimize, inside this about me I'll minimize, about me intro I'll minimize. Okay. So after this I'll simply create div class is equal to mm, and I'll call it services. Okay. So services. Okay. In the inside services there will be h1 that says services offered. Okay. Below that would be p that will say all these things. Okay, after that we'll be having div class is equal to cards container. It's what already we have covered in the previous sessions. Okay, and then we'll have card, so 4 cards. Okay, so 4 card I'll be making. So I'll make one, I'll add some content inside it, and then I'll copy it. Okay, so let's quickly style our services. So services dot services First of all, margin top 20 px. Okay, and then dot services h1 text align center, font size 52 px, I guess. Font family was Arial. Okay, let's see. Okay, service offers. It's looking nice. It's just that we need to text transform uppercase. Okay, service offers. Um, Font size we can go with 42 px actually. It's too big. Okay, looking nice. And then similarly, I'll style my P1. Oh, sorry, P1. Color gray. Oh, sorry, font size should be 22 over in this case, or 18 better. Okay, fine. And also, let's see if I can adjust the width of this one with 20%. Let's see. Uh, but then it will run towards the corner. Margin auto. Okay, fine. So with 20% would be less. Let's go with 40%. Okay, so we have the service offered. Yeah, looking fine. And then below it will be having our cards. So dot cards container. So dot cards container would be there. So dot cards container dot. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do is display flex as usual. Uh, Flex direction row, and then what else? That's it. So dot cards dot card it is, right? Dot card it is. Okay. Okay. So inside dot card I'll be having uh, width, height, and all I'll give. So width would be, let's say, 300 px. Height would be around 600 px. Background color I want white. Okay. And cursor pointer. Okay. And dot card hover, I want it to change its. Okay, actually the background color is somewhat else. It's bluish and a very light tint of blue. It's like somewhat like this. Okay. And background color to be white. So let's see how it looks. Okay, the blue is too much blue. Let's take better. So dot card container, I'll give margin everywhere I'll give 10 px. Okay. Okay, and then uh, justify content space evenly. Okay, and this height I have given too much. Let's go with 400, and width should be 200. Width should be more actually, 300, and this should be 450. Okay, so this is how my card looks like. Um, Card container I'll give margin top 30 px. Why it is not taking this? Let's quickly check. Card container. Oh, sorry, I spelling mistake. So if you see, container is written over here. Container. Okay. So this is how looks now. The height of the card is a little more. Let's go with 400 only. Okay, now, mm, okay, so inside the card we have image, heading, and some text. So let's quickly do that. So img src is equal to something, or it is equal to it item, some item, okay, and then we have h2 something, and then we have p tag telling something. So let's quickly instead of wp developing, let's put web developing inside the p. Let's give creep whatever it is. I'll just copy this. Okay, and the image. So for this image, I'll just copy this image. Dot slash asset slash s1 dot png. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is all coming over here. So now let's quickly arrange it. So dot card again, I'll give display flex inside the dot card. Okay, and flex direction column. Okay, but why it is taking so much space? Let's not use display flex. Let's think of something else. So I just want to move everything in. So text align center would actually work. Okay, so this would work. Also, I'll give some padding to it. So padding, I'll give 20 px throughout, and box sizing border box, so that its width doesn't increase. Okay, looking better. And mm, let me give padding top as 30 px. Oh, no, 40 px top. Then right 20 px, bottom 20 px, and left 40 px. Oh, that's it. Let's try. Okay, looking good. It says that the width that this text is occupying is a little less. Let me see why. Okay, so the service is P. Okay, okay, okay. What I'll do is it's inside services only, right? So style is equal to width 100%. Okay, so this is looking fine now. I'll reduce the width of this too much. 350 would be fine. Okay, 350 is also actually too much. 300 should be fine. Okay, I'll make copy of these cards now. So this was our card, right? So I'll copy this card and save it. Okay, so now you see these are coming perfectly fine. Okay, so this is our services offered. This you can like change the content inside it. Okay, and cursor pointer. Okay, so it's looking good now. Okay, so this was about the services offered. So you can change the logos, icons, everything. Okay, then recent project. So this you have to make, and then clients say about me testimonials. So testimonials is again very similar to your this part, the cards part. So I won't be covering this client say about me. It's very similar. You can just simply use the card and change the content inside it. Okay, and this clicking and all this is enabled by JavaScript, so that is not a part of this bootcamp, so we won't be covering it. Once you are able to make simple web pages, it would be easy to like create all these things. Okay, so let's quickly just make one section for quality work recently done project. Okay, after that we'll just make this footer and we'll be done with this project. Okay, so quality work recently done project. So let's add that. So this was our services, right? So after services, we'll make div class is equal to projects. Okay, so inside projects, I want to make give the heading as this only. Inside projects, and I'll call it quality projects. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so quality projects are coming. Let's center it. So dot projects, which one? Text align center. Oh, what happened? Why it is dot projects? Okay, so quality project also dot projects empty 50px. Okay, so inside our quality projects, we want this you can put using ULLI. Okay, the clicking can be enabled using JavaScript. Then after ULLI, you can put uh, these images. Okay, so simply these are also cards with some images on it. Okay, and hovering this effect is there probably due to JavaScript. Okay, so that you can put. So this is again a card. So I'll create a card inside it. Dev class card container. Card container is same as the before, and this would be dev class is equal to project card. Okay, so it will be having an image src is equal to something, or it is equal to something project. Okay, and after the image we have some text. So text is nothing but two kind of text, h2 something that says multiply foul. No, green heaven was the one. Okay, so green heaven, then a p that says animated portfolio. Okay, fine. So let's see. Let's quickly take this image as well. Mm, okay, so let's put this image over here, and I'll put this image inside portfolio web and inside assets. Okay, so it would be dot slash asset slash p7. Okay, so here you'll have this image, this thing. Okay, so let's quickly style it. Project card p color gray and font family Arial. Okay, this is fine. So again, the project card is inside card container. So card containers, okay, it's cards container. 1 minute. Okay, so it will come, and like if you'll add more, it will automatically adjust itself. So what I'll do is copy, make copies. Okay, so like this, your card would be there. Where did it went? Okay, so that was about your quality projects that you can add in this. Okay, and this hover effect and all you can easily add, as I have told you, like using the colon hover property. Okay, so moving down, again this is a simple div with one input box you can make, no problem in that. So okay, we still have 10 minutes left, so let's quickly make this get update from anywhere section. Okay, so I'll make it, I'll just close this one now. I'll quickly come here, dev class contact. Okay, so inside this we simple have a input type is equal to email. Okay, and next to it is a button that says send. Okay, so two things are there. Let's see quickly. Okay, so this is coming. So this was contact, right? So dot contact is a simple div with some properties. So dot contact width, let's say 70% of your port width, height is equal to 400 px. Background color was purplish. Let's give it plum. Let's see how it comes. Okay, this color I'm not liking it at all. So let's give it some darker variant. Hmm, some lighter variant. No. No. Okay, so I'll just move it to margin auto. Okay, coming to the center and display flex, align item center, and justify content center. Okay, so these things will come in the center. So now contact input and button. So dot contact input. What I'll do is width 70%. 70% is too much. Let's give it 50%. 50% is also too much. Let's give it 40%. Okay, and height 50 px. Okay, 50 px is too much. Let's give 40 px. Okay, border 5 px. No, sorry, border radius 5 px. Okay, and margin right 10 px. Okay, fine. And border none. Okay, then this button. So dot contact button. So dot contact button. I'll give width 40 px, height 40 px. So it should be around 60 px. Okay, border none, border radius 10 px. 10 px is too much. Let's give 5 px. Let's give 100 px. Okay, background color dodger blue, color white. Okay, so this is fine, and cursor pointer. Okay, that's it. So this our email box is also ready, and like we can give the placeholder inside it. So placeholder, enter your email. Okay, so the placeholder is coming over here. Enter your email. That's it. So dot contact empty we can give 50 px. So that's it. Okay, fine. And finally, actually this color should have been blue, not this. No, little bit. Okay, fine. And finally, we have to make this asset slash logo. Okay, fine. So this would be there. Then after that, what else is there? Follow me, copyright. Follow me inside H2. Okay, then simple p tag with this. Let's upgrade. Okay, mm, simply come here, define footer, text align, center. Okay, that's it. Satner, follow me this. Okay, and font family, Arial. Okay, and mm, margin top 100 px. Okay, and mm, position fixed. No, position fixed bottom 0 should not look good. Actually, no. Position, let's move this position. Okay, so this is how our web page is looking now. So your entire portfolio web page is ready. It's very similar to what we had over here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this session and the project that we built, and I hope you guys have some confidence now on how to build such projects on your own. Okay, so if you have any doubts, we'll have live doubt clearing sessions. You can attend them, and there I'll clear all your doubts. So if you guys enjoy these sessions, you can join the full-time courses of Let's Upgrade. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining these sessions, and I hope to see you in the next bootcamp that we'll be having in Let's Upgrade. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.